Parrot Tree Plantation is a huge resort. It pulls you in like some kind of gravity.
Delicious food, luxury condos, marina, pool, beach, and much more.
Parrot Tree Plantation in Roatan proves that bigger is better. This sprawling resort is massive, and who could ask for more? Condos and pools and sun and sand made for families and couples. Well, just about everyone.
Today's entertainment with a Latin flair is the backdrop to your perfect day. Let's take a look around at these magnificent condos.
Accommodations like these need no description. Just let your eyes drink it in. Visualize yourself here. And the Oz have it.
They've got a world-class New York chef who is poised and focused on complete guest satisfaction. Just look at this. Strolling these magnificent grounds, one can hardly comprehend the scope of this grandiose real estate endeavor. And there's much more in the future for Parrot Tree. A cutting-edge medical clinic, a school for exceptional athletes, and a Naui dive center. The marina is expanding to welcome mega yachts. Bigger is better at Parrot Tree Plantation.
When you have everything, it's easy to capture the attention of all those who come to Roatan. But it's the food that keeps the locals coming back for more. Let's meet the chef, Craig Jacobs.
Welcome to the Palapa Bar and Grill in Parrot Tree Plantation. My name is Craig Jacobs and I'm the executive chef. While I have a few minutes, I'd like to tell you what's going on here at Parrot Tree. When people ask why is the food so much better in Parrot Tree, I answer we only use the freshest ingredients in season and cook them to order. We have predictable quality and consistency. Here at the famous Beach Palapa, you can expect to see our new menu featuring food for the entire family. Big juicy burgers, fresh seafood, and the famous mega platter highlight this menu. We are preparing to open our newest concept restaurant called Amici's. That means friends in Italian. Our focus will be on both Italian and Greek cuisine. Expect great service, big bold flavors, and an unforgettable regional specialty. We at Parrot Tree work hard every day to have all of our guests leave with a smile on their faces. Happiness and memories is our business. We quickly have developed a reputation as Roatan's best place to go for great food. We are bringing you more choices every day. See you here. Parrot Tree Plantation's investment in the future doesn't stop there. We are in the process of equipping a world-class medical clinic. The clinic will have many of the best, most qualified doctors available here on property. We will be able to service both Roatan and the medical tourists.
This new cutting-edge medical clinic is truly an exciting endeavor. Let's learn more from its founder, Dr. Glenn Terry.
The concept for our clinic came about in discussions with Jose Samara, who is the owner and CEO of Samesa Hospital in San Pedro Sula. And in discussions with Jose, we discussed the issue of increasing population in the world and decreasing resources for medical treatment, such as a shortage of doctors, shortage of nurses. And we talked about alternative medicine quite probably providing an answer to some of those problems. And that was the seed that started us in the development of this clinic under the auspices of Samesa Hospital. And in fact, Samesa Hospital is going to be built, a satellite is going to be built in Roatan and provide the hospital coverage that we need to join with our clinic, which is also being sponsored by Samesa Hospital. And the physicians from Samesa Hospital, both general medical physicians and specialty physicians, will rotate through this clinic and also staff Samesa Hospital Roatan. And our goal is to provide quality conventional treatment, medication and surgery, but also alternative methods of treatment such as nutrition, exercise, yoga, lifestyle changes, acupressure, acupuncture, massage, and then limited surgical procedures, minimally invasive, such as arthroscopic procedures in orthopedics, lap band procedures done laparoscopically for obesity, and plastic surgery that's done minimally invasive using a laser surgical technique. And then other alternative treatments utilizing adult autogenous stem cells that are harvested from an individual. And this can avoid the reaction issue and rejection issue of allograft stem cells, and also bypasses the issue of using embryonic stem cells. So this is a patient's own cells that are simply expanded for the treatment of chronic disease and acute injuries.
Very interesting, huh?
Mm-hmm.
But there's more. The developer's forte is real estate of all types, including mansions. Now let's tour this spectacular mansion, La Serena.
As you can see, there's nowhere to go but up for Parrot Tree Plantation.
And it deserves mention that they are expanding their marina to include mega yachts.
We'll see you at Parrot Tree
Plantation.